This is a quick instructional video for our hose handles. To operate these handles, first, press the latch to open the handle. Then slightly tilt back the handle while positioning the handle around the hose. Now push the handle onto the hose until you hear the latch click. Now the handle is locked onto the hose. To release the handle from hose, you simply press the latch to open the handle. To adjust the handle for hoses with different diameters, loosen up the aluminum pinch adjustment knob. Then you can tilt the pinch either in or out, depending on your diameter hose. Then screw the adjustment knob to lock that position.